Ya, yang itu.
Hello, Coach. Good evening. First of all, I want to know about how to manage and maintain the team during the fasting in Ramadan. And the second is how is your opinion about the Indonesia national team at this moment? Because in every match day, there always be the new players. Now we have 4 new players. Maybe the squad will be big difference than the last meeting in Manama. So how do you think also about the squad of Indonesia at this moment and the new coach Patrick Kluivert? Thank you.
Thank you so much. When you ask me about Ramadan time, come on, this is the time for enjoying. This is holy month for all Muslim people, and you are enjoying like my boys enjoying. Doesn't mean anything wrong for us. Just we are happy to be during this holy month. My boys, he will be ready like your boys will be ready. That means everything is okay. I am happy also to be part of the Ramadan time. Holy month for every one of us. Another question was about new players in, you know, Habibi, I must say, I'm monitoring and I'm watching too many games of Indonesia. But wallah, every time two new one, but not from Indonesia. Coming from Holland, coming from England, coming from... Wallah, Habibi, you have 300 million people and you are bringing players from Holland, Habibi. Okay, that's good, but we respect them too much. And believe me, I don't take care about this game, what you play against Australia. This is not really picture of your team. We know that. We are coming with full respect, but we are coming with full confidence to win the game.